Hi everybody, Gary Williams here for Toolbarn.com's Barn Banter, and we've got a lot of fun coming up for you today. We're going to have a fine time. And by that I mean we're going to show you a lot of really cool tools made by Fein. So stick with us, we'll be right back. Hey, we're back and we've got Josh from Fein with us. And Josh, you brought a few things for us to look at, but first just give me the snapshot history of Fein. A lot of people know Fein for its multi-master tools and whatnot, but how long have you been around?
Absolutely, yeah. Fein's celebrating its 150th anniversary this year. So pretty big deal. We are the oldest power tool company in the world.
You said you guys made the first power drill. In what year?
1897 had the first electric drill.
Yeah, I think I have one of those in my workshop. You brought a couple things for us to look at, a lot of things for us to look at, but let's start with these. Tell me about those.
Yeah, these are the oscillating tools.
Right.
These are our newest versions of our cordless. We have the Multi-Master and we have the Supercut. It has a quick change on it. It's a new mechanism. Quick release. And a quick clamp, so you don't have to get your fingers snapped or stuck when you're pulling it in and out.
That's nice and quick.
Yeah. It can, once again, it's the original multi-tool. You can cut, scrape, sand, cut door jambs, punch cut the floorboards, all with one tool.
Yeah.
Has hundreds of attachments with it.
Those are great tools. They're so versatile. You can do so many things with them. But so difference between these two.
This is a 350 watt version. This is a 450 watt version.
Okay.
Both professional grade. This would be, the 350 watt would be more for your homeowner,
All right.
do-it-yourselfer. But if I'm a professional, I'm going with the 450 watt because it's a lot faster.
Okay.
It does take the same blades, so that helps a lot on cost. People always get confused on what blades takes, which
sure,
tool. So
sure.
they both fit the same tool.
Okay. Plenty of power, plenty of battery juice.
A lot of high output.
Yeah.
Has an 18 volt battery, 5 amp hour, variable speed, anti-vibration.
Great. Okay, hey, we're just getting started. We'll be back with more. Josh, you've got some mag drills, and I'm not going to try to explain these, but I'm going to let you do that, so take it away.
Yep, pretty self-explanatory. It's a magnetic-based drill, so the magnet goes on, and it's able to drill in the metal.
And it's an electromagnet, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, we have 14 different mag drills right now, anywhere from low profile to your workhorse everyday beat up mag drills that are used, steel erection, bridge work.
Okay.
We get a lot of bridge work, especially in the Northeast. They got a lot of bridge repair work to do, so those are very popular. Any maintenance shop, truck bodies, truck frames, and any of your shops that are looking for a stationary drill, we have specialty drills that can cut, tap, have reverse on it, so we have a full line of magnetic drills.
Okay.
We also have a full line of cutters, anywhere from high-speed steel cutters made in Davenport, Iowa, to specialty cutters that are coated, carbide for harder materials. A lot of material now being used, especially on bridge work, is a harder material.
Right.
So you need a harder cutter. And we even have special drills made for carbide, because you do need a special speed for cutting with carbide. You can't just go and throw it on any old machine.
Right.
We have coolants, cutting paste.
Okay.
3-jaw chucks, so you can use these drills. This is a stationary work drill.
Okay.
So,
all right. Well, so have you seen more demand for this type of equipment as the focus nationwide has grown on improving infrastructure? Have you seen these increase?
Absolutely. With a lot of the bridge work, especially with some of the new stuff passed last year on the bridge work coming out for the next few years, there's a big demand for this stuff. Oil and gas as well. A big demand for it in the oil and gas industry. Okay.
Hey, we're going to show you more on Facebook, so check that out. But we'll be back with more in just a minute. Fein is known for developing niche products, and this is another good example of that. Why don't you tell us about it?
Absolutely. This is a handheld belt grinder with a notching attachment.
Okay.
It's variable speed. The good thing about us is we explain stuff to people. It tells you what speeds to run the machine at.
Okay.
So for this size, we're going to use a speed 2. You just drive it in by hand. Everything's locked in here. You can put it at different angles. For this size pipe though, we're going to do a 90 degree.
Okay.
So So it's a very fast coping machine, as you can see there.
Didn't take any time at all.
No, it makes it very fast and easy to fit up as well. And that's the great thing about using a coping machine. At least it's very hot, so don't grab these by hand.
Right,
I've made the mistake of doing that before. So perfect fit up, a lot less welding time, and then you don't have to go back in and grind it again. So you're saving a ton of time.
Right.
Handrail, staircases, a lot of race car guys use this. It's a single phase 110 volt machine, so you can plug it in anywhere. Don't need any special extra wiring. A lot of the machines are 3-phase, 230 volt, 440 volt. You can use this anywhere.
Great. Okay, well look, we've got a lot of fine tools on toolbarn.com. You can check them out there and see all this and a lot more, and thanks for being with us, and we'll have you back.
Thank you.
Great, thanks for being with us. We hope you come back too.